Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another haul video for you guys. I've been doing a bunch of these recently, so I hope they're fun and entertaining to watch. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just jump right in. This is the first item, guys. This is from Justine Clenquet. It is just a pair of earrings. This is the Justine Clenquet Essence exclusive silver and gray Sam earrings. So basically, Justine Clenquet is a 法国小众品牌. I love to wear earrings. I have 4 piercings. I don't think I've ever even shown you guys. I have 4 piercings on each side. Can you guys see what they look like? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is like one pair. It's just very, very simple. And then the other pair has these little like 猪鼻子, like if you guys can see, and just a bunch of silver little silver things, if you can see. Like I love silver stuff so much. Super cute. I'm a little bit lazy to switch it out for you guys right now, so I'll just insert some photos. If that's okay, I'll wear it in like future videos, but this is just what it looks like, and it's like super cute. Just like picture that. I'm just genuinely a little bit too lazy to try it on. Okay, so that is that. I'm just gonna put it back in this little bag. I'm really late to this brand, but it's super cute, and definitely will check out more of their stuff in the future. This is a hoodie. I don't know how to hold this. Okay, so this is a hoodie. It's like the Essentials knitted stuff, and it's like this gray, really large hoodie. It says Essentials, and it's just gray and knitted and very long. Got this in a size large, I think. It's looking a little bit more warm tone on camera, but whatever. It's just gray, super duper heavy. Feels like it's gonna be like super warm. And then it just has this like their logo on the hood again. Never even worn this yet because like when I got it, it was literally like summer already. That's that. I'm going to put it down because it's like genuinely, it's just really heavy. I got this shirt from Nike. It's super comfortable. It's like really great for exercising in. Like I really like walking, guys. Like I'm such a little old lady, but I really love to walk. This just is like a very nice like exercising shirt. It has white and then has the little Nike logo on the back. Just a very good time for exercising, very comfortable. It's not super cropped. It's like a very, very good length. So really love this. Got this in a size medium. I guess I'll do some beauty stuff right now. This is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado oil, and it is just my favorite. I've been using it a lot. This is like my 5th one or 6th one, like honestly probably the 6th. This is the smaller size. I remember I got there like I think 60 ml, and it literally looked like a moisturizer, so I just went back to like the 45 ml, I think. How many mils is this, guys? But I've mentioned this before, just a very moisturizing good time. Even in the summer I like to use it, and keeps your skin super hydrated. The next 2 items are from the brand The Ordinary, and I've tried out one of their products before. I've tried out the Buffet serum. I've had like a couple of that, but this is niacinamide 10% plus 1% zinc. Actually, I finished 1 bottle extremely fast. The purpose of this is just for Mei-Bai. Use it on your face, use it on your arms and legs, but I do see results for it. Like I got a lighter shade of concealer, and my skin basically matches that shade now after using like a lot of these whitening products. So yeah. Like I honestly do like Ordinary. It's a really good bang for your buck, and there are pretty good results. Yeah, so if you guys want to find something that's going to whiten and brighten your skin. Guys, I just have 3 more things to show you guys. Okay, so the first thing is also from Essence. It's a well done white t-shirt, graphic tee. The sleeves are super duper big. This brand is G-Dragon's sister's brand, and like the fit is really nice. Has a little tag right here. It's like name tag or something. Yeah, I got this in a size men's medium for it to be super slouchy. They also have a women's version of this, but I feel like the fit wouldn't be as slouchy as the men's, so yeah, super duper cute, very slouchy, very casual, very comfortable. So if you guys watched my haul video, I think it was from March or April, I showed a Nike sweatsuit, like sweatshirt and sweatpants that was like super duper comfortable in gray. I have it in black to show you guys, like so comfortable again. Very, very comfortable, nice cropped sweatshirt. It's meant to be super slouchy because like look at the arms of it. You just can't go wrong with this because it's so casual and comfy. And then I have the matching pants like this. It's got the kind of cinching in at the leg part, at the waist as well. It has the line going down the pants. That's like the style where it's like super duper slouchy and like super comfortable. But this is like a very big small. Like I got this in a size small, but it's like extremely big. I definitely feel like, you know, whoever wants to buy this can definitely size down on the pants portion because it runs really big. But for comfort, I'm like really okay with how it fits. You can pair these two together or like wear it separately. It's also like super comfortable for home or just like walking around, going to class. Okay, yeah, so that's pretty much the end of the video, guys. I have gone through everything. I feel like I went through everything pretty fast, but I feel like that's good because I personally don't like watching like super extremely long videos. I just want to like get it over with. So if you guys did enjoy this video, then definitely give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media linked in the description box below: Instagram, Spotify, Xiaohongshu. Go follow all of that. Check out my Depop. Always have a bunch of different things on that. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.